prove that the two vectors a vector and b vector are at right angles, that is perpendicular, if and only if a vector plus b vector dot a vector plus b vector, that is magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of b, magnitude of a vector plus b vector whole square is equals to magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square. Now, whenever the two vectors a and b are perpendicular to each other, we can say that they are at right angles. And by taking that into consideration, we should prove that a magnitude of a plus b whole square is equals to magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square. And similarly, as it is based on if and only if, magnitude of a plus b whole square is equals to magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square, we should prove that it is a vector and b vector are at right angles. Right. Now first we'll take the condition which is in the problem, that is known as magnitude of a vector plus b vector is equals to, the given condition RHS is magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square. Why you are writing this condition is a vector is not equals to 0 vector and b vector is not equals to 0 vector. Now we'll use the double imply symbol because the problem contains if and only if. Now magnitude of a plus b whole square we will expand according to a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square plus 2 into a dot b is equals to, we will write it as magnitude of a whole square plus magnitude of b whole square. So here in both the cases magnitude of a whole square will get cancel, even magnitude of b also will get cancel on both sides. The leftover part is 2 into a dot b is equals to 0. So if we send this 2 to this side, a vector dot b vector is equals to 0 by 2 is equals to 0. So this can be written as if and only if a vector dot b vector is equals to 0, that is a vector comma b vector are at right angles. So by taking this condition, we proved that a vector and b vector are at right angles.